Hi beautiful people, thank you for clicking on this video. Today's show and tell is going to be on the Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig in the style M905S BADU Short in the color 1B. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. Hey there beautiful people, so this is the M905S BADU Short Headband Wig from Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig. So she is a shorty with a little bump, and as usual she has the headband all the way around, and there are no combs in the inside, but she does have a nice breathable mesh in the inside, and there is this one area where there's that button where you can, and then you have little slots where you can pull it in a little bit tighter if you need to. So that's how it looks on the inside. Here's how she looks on the outside. She's really cute. She's silky, not too thick in density, but really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, and let's see how she fits. Got some makeup on her. Pull her down and pull her back. Let's see, let's comb her a little bit. Okay, so off the rip, she's kind of sliding to back on my head a little bit, but she fits well. She's not too snug, so big head friendly girls, she may work for you. Like I said, she's silky and she's not very thick in density, but I think she's really nice. For the summer, this would be a good wig. It's very light hair. It's not a whole lot of hair. It's not super thick, and the cap is not really heavy or too tight. I think that you could dress her up or dress her down. Like I said, for me, because there are no combs in the front or the back, I really like to either put a comb or a few bobby pins in it just to make sure that it's not going to slide, because sometimes this band right here kind of pulls in like a rubber band and rolls up and she slides off. So be aware of that sometimes they may slide. So either sew a comb in there if you can do that, or throw some bobby pins in it just to make it a little bit more secure for your safety. You don't want her sliding off and you cute somewhere. That ain't what we want. But you know, overall she's a really pretty wig. Like I said, you can dress her up or dress her down. You can put another headband over her, a different color, if that's what you want to do. For me, I would rock her just like this. There's no tangling. The hair is really soft, really silky. This bump is really cute. I like the color. I haven't gotten any shedding off of her, and she's not tangling. So you let me know what you think of her in the comments, please. If you have bought one of these units that I've been reviewing, let me know. I really like all three. I did get I think I got the M905 BADU curl, yeah, and then I got the M905 BADU. I want to say it was a longer unit. I can't remember which one it was, but I got three of them. I got a long curly one that had like a crimped curl that I reviewed. I got the shorter one, super curly one that I reviewed last week, and then this is the last one that I have out of that series. I don't know if there are any more, but those were the three that were available when I ordered at, I want to say, Sam's Beauty, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I know she retailed for $21.51 because it was a website sale with 15% off. So I really like her. So you let me know if you like her. Like I said, again, this is the M905S BADU Short in the color 1B. This is the headband wig, and it is heat styling friendly up to 300 degrees.
If you like her or you want to purchase her, I will have her link in the description box. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, join the family. I'm friendly here. I'm not too friendly, but I'm friendly. Let me know if you like her, and I'll see you guys next time.